flexible cooking zones are perfect for all meal preparations, making it nice and easy to cook in different zones on the hob.
The twist pad flex control makes controlling the temperature of your cooking extremely simple and precise. You can bring the pan from a boil to a simmer extremely quickly.
This setup means that you have nothing in the way, so all of your cooking and all of your focus can be on what you're doing, talking to people who might be around the island or looking out into the room, which is really nice.
The frying sensor has kept the griddle plate at the correct temperature the whole way through, so I haven't had to touch it. It stops the oil from overcooking and it gives you a very even sear and nice grill mark.
This middle part removes very easily and can go straight in the dishwasher. The filters will clean. The general maintenance of the hob is simple in that you just wipe it down with a damp cloth and dry it with a microfiber cloth, and this section can remove easily for wiping underneath.